the routines, whenever you're doing a routine, you might have a call list routine. Say, I'll just do this one here. Um, Say for instance, you do an initial call date, and you wanted to call them 1 week later. Okay, um, you would add in a action for add to call list so that it would add it prior to this update. In order to get that call list thing into your call list, you had to select this for automatic processing. And whenever you did that, being automatic processing, it would not allow you to do this all day activity. You had to have a specific time. And it would say, hey, you can't do this because in order to do a automatic thing, it has to have a time. Well, I was doing this automatically anyway. So now it doesn't matter whether you check this or you don't. It will still add it to the call list for you. The advantage here is you do have the opportunity to say, add to the call list, but don't add it to any particular time of day. Make it an all day activity type thing. By doing that, then whenever you go into your call list, most activities will have times where I need to call them at a certain time. I've got a bunch of test stuff in here. But now you have the opportunity to set it as an all day activity. So it gets put into your calendar into the all day section. And it's not assigned a specific time of day, but it will show you that it needs to be done on a given day. If you need to change it, you can click on that and you can turn this off and set it for a different day. Or if it's set for a certain time and day and you just want to set it to all day, you can check the all day option. So either way gets it into all day. It puts it at the top of the list compared to anything that is timed, but at least you have access to everything. You can see what you want to do. Now, consequently, anytime you add a call to the call list, same thing. I've changed this, so now whenever you come to this, you can pick what form or what type of call is it. Is it a birthday call or whatever? Do I want to make it an all day activity, or do I want to put it at a certain date and time? In which case, it defaults to right now, but you can mark it as being an all day thing. So just click on add to call list, and then it adds it then to your call list for an all day activity.
Hey, Mark.
Yes.
Question on the call list. When you do the completed call and it has the outcomes that are listed,
Mm-hmm.
are those outcomes, can we customize those, or can we maybe just send you requests of something to put on there? Or
Um, that's a great
I was
question.
thinking the one I was thinking of putting on there is just, I mean, the world we live in today, so many times you don't get an answer and people don't check their voicemail, so you follow up with a text message. So if there was one that was like no answer, sent a text or something.
Real quick here, uh, call list. This is just the call list itself. I don't know that I do have the outcome on this list. I can put the outcome on the list as well. Um, but I can certainly get that one added. So whenever you're in the call list, I'm going to call Harry Truman here. I make my call. I go to complete it. You will. I'm not sure if I brought this up last week, but you can choose the outcome, but you can also now add notes and also add milestones. So if I completed the call, but or attempted the call, but I didn't actually complete it, I can put that in there, and then text message I could put here. But I could make an outcome here of no answer, no answer sent to text or sent text.
Something like that. That was what
Yeah,
prompted the thought.
and
Yeah.
then click on continue and then complete it. by doing the milestone piece of no answer, um, what it ultimately does though is it will then put it into my call attempts list, so that if I haven't attempted it again within an hour or whatever I have set up in my call attempts right here, I have it set for an hour right now. Um, it would at least bring it up on this list here as well.
Hmm.
But you could also set up a routine to automatically add another call list item to say, 2 days, add another one in 2 days or whatever, if
Yeah.
I answer it that way.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
All right. Cool. Thanks.